I've already spent like so much time tearing up. I'm trying not to mess up my makeup because we're supposed to be downstairs in like an hour, and I really am in awe of my life right now. So I'm on a brand trip with Ulta Beauty in LA, and I'm gonna cry again. Okay, so being a part of the Ulta Beauty Collective has been a dream so far, and honestly, I still pinch myself that I'm a part of this because it has been so amazing, and just words can't describe how grateful I feel. Especially because I've been doing social media and content creation now for almost 10 years. The fact that I still get these opportunities and get to work with these companies that I love and enjoy in my real life is just, it's jaw-dropping to me. And even looking at this room, which I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. I can't believe this is like brand trips. Like, this is what they are. I feel so spoiled. So let me go ahead and give you guys a tour of my hotel room and take you guys kind of along with what a brand trip is. I've always been curious how these work. I have no idea what to expect, and so I'm just gonna like share my honest thoughts throughout this whole experience and like take you guys along with me. So let's go ahead and do a tour of the room first. So we have the room with my bags, which by the way, they did tell us to like bring extra suitcases, but I did overpack, frankly, for like a couple, it's like a week, a work week, but you know, those are my luggages. And then here we are into the room. I wanna take you guys into the bathroom because, by the way, this was like ready when I got here. Like all of this stuff was in here. So they like put in the effort to awe us, like leave an impression on us, because everywhere I look, I'm seeing like gifts and presents and notes and stuff. And I just, like I said, I'm in awe. So the bathroom, let's head into the bathroom. Here's my cute little bathroom door. Okay. Oh, my toilet. Oh, there's a mirror here. Here's my OOTD, by the way, which I took my shoes off because they were noisy. Shirt, just a white tank top, and I got this skirt from Nuuly, which is super cute. I thought I went with like the Ulta Beauty colors because it had like the orange and pink, so that's why I picked this out. And it's also comfy and it's like hot in LA. So that's the fit. And then, how cool is this? So Ole Henriksen, we have something with them this week, which I will take you guys along with for that. All right, I'm at home editing this. I think I said like Ole Henriksen. It's actually Ulla Henriksen. I pronounced that wrong. I've learned how to pronounce it over the week, so that was my bad. I probably should have known that because my husband is Danish. That's cool. I wish I could take that home and put that on my mirror, and also that on my shower door, Ulta Beauty Collective. And then we have our shower stocked with like stuff already. I love Briogeo. This Don't Despair Repair Briogeo, one of my favorites. So I brought shampoo and conditioner. I didn't need to. And we have this smoothing scrub from Ole Henriksen. And then we have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Play body wash. I've never tried any of their stuff, so I'm like super excited. Actual room itself, which I think I'm gonna have to like do a proper tour when it's a bit brighter out, because as you can see, it's like nighttime, so. Okay, so over here, which, let me move this. This was here. Okay, minus my drinks, so excuse those. We have Bubble here, this little skincare set. Divi, Scalp and Hair Health. So I'll have to dig in there. It looks like there's a bunch of products. Everything is packaged so nicely, I don't want to ruin it. Half Magic, I just went to one of their events, and I actually brought some of their makeup with me for this trip. Super Goop. Let's just open this. Let's just see what's inside here. Oh my gosh, a letter! I love letters! Yay! It says, congratulations on being a part of the 2024 Ulta Beauty Collective. We hope you enjoy these feel-good SPF essentials to keep you protected and living bright every single day. We know you'll find one that's perfect for you. Can't wait to see all that you do. XOXO Team Supergoop. I actually was gonna buy sunscreen because I didn't bring any, and now I don't have to because I believe there's sunscreen in here. Yay! Okay, so like I said, I'll have to go through that a little bit more in depth. This is super cool. They have an Ulta Beauty Collective magazine, and we're all featured in here. Oops. Ulta Beauty Cast Roundup. Again, sorry for the lighting. It is what it is. Let me see. Where am I? Oh, I'm right there. there, page 9. So I'm like second, I'm in the magazine. So yeah, and then we have more little personal letters. We've got some homebody stuff. Oh, bath soak, I love that. We have water. We have this, the perfect match, Mala the brand, fun. Here's the beautiful bed, which is decked out. Look at this fun tote. It's Tarte. So cool. And they also have like a hat and a jacket or a sweater and like a headband, which I might need. This room's very cold. I need to turn the AC down. Look at all this makeup. I really didn't need to bring any makeup. I don't have a lot of Tarte makeup, so I'm really excited to try their stuff. Then we have Kish, which is really cool. They also left a sweet handwritten letter, so I love that. Hi, Morgan. And then they have, I don't know what this is. I don't want to unravel it. I'm assuming it's like blanket rope. Again, I'll have to show you guys when we're home. And then they have like all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, wait. I've been wanting to try one of these. Okay, cool. And then look at the pillowcase. That's my initials on it. So cute. Then head over to the other side of the bed. We have Love Wellness, which is really cool. That's like a lymphatic massage roller. Osea. And then they even brought us snacks and a water bottle. And then this is our itinerary, which I'll show you guys when I'm home. But yeah, that is the room. Again, the lighting is not great. It's like super yellowy, but it's like a genuine first impressions. And I just always feel like I want to say this to you guys, but like, thank you guys for being there with me through all of this, because if you guys were watching this, I would have no one to share this with, and I wouldn't get these experiences and opportunities. So I want to thank you guys, and it's incredible sometimes where life takes you. So I'm just, like I said, so grateful and so honored and so excited to see what this week has to bring. And I will keep you guys posted. And as always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.